if your eyes always look tired, irritated, or red no matter how much sleep you get. You've probably wondered if a redness relief drop can actually make a visible difference without causing irritation or rebound redness. In today's review, we're looking at Lumify preservative-free eye drops from the eye care experts at Botch Plus Lam. A product designed to restore natural eye whiteness and reveal brighter-looking eyes in as little as 1 minute, with effects that can last up to 8 hours. What makes these drops different from typical redness relievers is the use of low-dose brimonidine, an ingredient that selectively targets redness rather than simply constricting blood vessels in a harsh way, which may help reduce the risk of side effects often seen with other over-the-counter drops when used as directed. The preservative-free formula contains no bleach or dyes and is designed to be gentle enough for sensitive eyes. While clinical testing reports that most users experience noticeable redness reduction very quickly, the goal isn't just cosmetic improvement, although brighter, clearer eyes can enhance your overall appearance but also comfort and clarity throughout the day. That said, results can vary depending on the cause of redness, such as dryness, allergies, or screen fatigue, so expectations should remain realistic. With over 150 years of innovation behind the brand, the formulation reflects a focus on eye health as well as visual appearance. If you're considering trying it, check the product tag in the video for more details and availability.